Hello and welcome back to my channel Explore with Fahim. Hope you are fine. To the point 99. So it's been long time since I shared last video based on tenses. So here I am back, and on the request of many students that what is the usage and what is the importance of the past tense. जो लोग इसकी importance नहीं जानते हैं, let me tell them that whatsoever we speak about the past questions, about yesterday, about the specific time, about any specific event, so all those questions are answered in this tense only. This tense is of great importance. Those who are weak in simple past tense are easily identified while they are using the use of did and then they use the second form of the verb. That is incorrect. So I'll also share the major mistakes, as I always do, that what are the errors which people commit while they are talking about past indefinite tense or simple past tense. Secondly, simple past tense is the only tense in which second form of the verb is used. You tell me any tense in which second form of the verb is used. Can you guess? No. So in simple past tense, positive sentence, second form of verb is used. There is no tense in the world apart from this tense, and in that tense, even in this tense, only in positive sentence we use second form of the verb. So second form of the verb is only made for positive sentences of simple past tense. It could be a quiz also, a tricky question also, that which is the tense in which second form of the verb is used. Otherwise, if we see, third form is used in all the perfect tenses: present perfect, past perfect, future perfect, and verb plus ing we use in present continuous, past continuous, future continuous. But second form of the verb is used only in this tense. In this tense, we generally say that कल मैंने और सुबह मैंने 6 बजे नाश्ता किया, या फिर आज सुबह मैंने 9 बजे नाश्ता किया. So in this tense, although we can oftenly interchange past indefinite with past perfect, when you become more fluent in English, then you can interchange past indefinite with past perfect. For example, I had seen you there, or I saw you there. You were talking to Abhinav in that meeting. So in that way we can interchange. When we are fluent in English, nobody notices, but when you are thinking and then framing your sentences, of course everybody would be staring at you and they would keep their eyes fixed that earlier he, or maybe he is struggling in English. So the Hindi sound of this, as I told you, it would be like that. And to commence with, I'll just start the positive sentences of simple past tense. The rule for the positive sentences for past indefinite tense would be noun pronoun, or we can say subject plus second form of the verb plus object. So this tense is in a way easy also because there is no helping verb. Helping verb means is, am, are, has, have, had. There is nothing. We directly speak second form of the verb after the subject, after somebody's name. For example, I woke up at 6 o'clock. I saw you in that meeting. Yesterday, I woke up at 6 o'clock in the morning. Saksham asked me that question 2 times. I made a promise which I have to fulfill at any cost. So these are the examples of simple past tense positive sentences. And this tense is very important, guys. Whenever somebody asks you how was your yesterday, what did you do yesterday, especially in interviews, people check your grammar and they put you in such a situation in that you have to answer the question. There is no other option but you have to answer the question. They deliberately put you in that situation and then ask you about the past. So when somebody is asking what did you do yesterday, or how was your yesterday, what did you learn in that class, so all these questions where you notice that did is being used in the question. What did he ask, what did you do yesterday, what did she tell you, Where did you go yesterday? What did you do yesterday? So all these questions have to be answered in this question, in this tense only, which is simple past tense, and we use second form of the verb only in positive sentences of this tense. When the sentence becomes negative, as we all know the sequence of the sentences, in any tense we have positive sentence, negative interrogative and negative interrogative. तो ये तो था positive sentence बनाने का rule. Now I'll go to negative sentences. So to make negative sentences of simple past tense, the rule will be noun pronoun or subject plus did not plus first form of verb plus object. Mind you guys, did not is always followed by the first form of the verb. Did in any form. After did, if somebody is using second form or third form of the verb, it means that person is weak in grammar, very weak in grammar, that he or she doesn't even realize that the style which he or she is showing is absolutely going to be null if the other person is knowledgeable. So sometimes I've noticed people is speaking stylish English and then using third form or second form after did. You can check anywhere in any grammar book that did is always followed by the first form of the verb. I have noticed even faculties, teachers, people at high positions committing this error and then getting their marks deducted for that. And of course nobody will tell you if you are at such a position that it is a matter of repute, then nobody will pinpoint you for that. So be careful, be meticulous while you're using did. Now of course you know that after did you have to use first form of the verb. Secondly, the short form or the contraction of did not is didn't. Many people, many students, many speakers, they say didn't, which is incorrect. Didn't. D-I-N-T is the sound or the pronunciation of didn't. Didn't is incorrect. So be careful while you are pronouncing the contraction of did not. Either you say did not or say didn't, but don't say didn't. So the negative examples of simple past tense would be: I didn't go there yesterday, she didn't call me, I didn't do my homework yesterday, I didn't take my breakfast today, they didn't call me although I called them many times. Or you can say that I called my friend 2-3 times but he didn't call me back. So these are the examples of past indefinite negative sentences. So after this we have interrogative sentences of the same tense, simple past tense. The rule would be WH family. WH means why, where, when. H means how. So the rule would be WH family, then did, then noun pronoun or subject, then object, question mark. Example: why did you go there? How did you go there? Did you call me? Did he reply to your message? Did you take your assignment seriously? Or when did you do this work? I think that somebody else has done this work. Did you notice something? When did you attend that meeting? Or how did you solve this question? It was really a difficult question. So these would be the examples of interrogative sentences, simple past tense. After this, the last section, which is negative interrogative, and negative interrogative rule would be WH family, then didn't, then noun pronoun or subject, then object. Or if we expand didn't, then the rule would be WH family plus did plus noun pronoun plus not plus object. Examples: why didn't you call me? Didn't you attend that meeting? Didn't she call that day? Or why didn't you do your homework? Why didn't she attend that class? Why didn't you attend your class? It was really very important class. Didn't you go in that party which was organized by your manager? Didn't your friend invite you to his marriage? Why didn't you wake up early? Today was a very important class. Didn't they play the match today in the morning? So these are the examples of negative interrogative sentences, simple past tense. So guys, here with these examples, we come to the end of the video of simple past tense. Hope you liked it. In case you feel that you should share this knowledge with someone who is your friend, maybe your neighbor, your sibling, and anyone who actually requested you that whenever you find something interesting, please don't forget to share. I would be really thankful, guys, if you can share this with someone, and of course they can get some benefit out of this video. Hope you like this, and see you in the next video. Guys, one request, kindly help me in increasing my subscribers. I just need few subscribers to get the channel monetized. I'll be really thankful. I would like to express my gratitude in advance if you could give me a few subscribers. Thank you very much for watching the video. See you soon. Take care.